welcome to this Croc Bowling Challenge. So the rules are simple. One at a time, each car will launch off. They'll have to get past the crocodile, and whoever can knock down the most pins in 2 attempts wins. Can anyone score a strike? The cars had better be careful though, because the crocodile is very hungry. He won't eat me though. He agreed to let me pass so I can score a strike. And our judge today is Safari Funling. Hello. Yeah, I'll make sure the crocodile behaves himself. Excellent. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Jack Skellington is up first. Oh no, he landed just short of the pins. Second try now though. Ah, that's better. He knocked over 6 pins. Not a bad score, Jack. Here's Nemo. Oh no, he missed the pins. Let's hope you have better luck on your second try, Nemo. Uh-oh, he's been eaten.
Oh dear, Safari Funling. I'll deal with this. Hey Croc, let him go. See, works every time. Unlucky Nemo, you scored 0.
Thomas now. That slowed him down. Oh, and he made a pin wobble, but it didn't fall. Second try. Slow down again. Ah, but that's much better. You knocked over 8 pins, so you're in the lead. Donald Duck next. Oh, he reversed into the pins and knocked 6 down already. Can he knock the rest over now? No, he hasn't knocked any more down, so your total is just 6. Can Mike do better? He's stuck.
Hey crocodile. No.
Phew. Second try. Oh wow, you knocked 9 pins down. Great effort, Mike. You're now in the lead. Mickey Mouse. Whoa, he went flying and still managed to knock over 8 pins. Can he knock down the last 2? No, somehow he only knocked over 1. So your final score is 9, so you're joint in the lead. Bumblebee's turn. Uh-oh, he spun out of control. Second try. Whoa, it's actually quite impressive that you managed to knock over just 1 pin, so your final score is just 1. Minnie Mouse now. Oh no, she missed all the pins. Can she hit them this time? Oh, just about. And she knocked over 4 pins. Not a fantastic score. Captain America. Oh yes, he scored a strike. Let's see that again. He knocked over all 10 pins. So you're in the lead. Shadow Funling. Oh, the crocodile blocked him.
Hey, we had a deal, crocodile.
Second attempt.
Crocodile, let him go. Hey, we had a deal. You can't make a deal with a crocodile, so you score 0.
Here's Queen Elsa. Oh dear, she swerved to the left and missed the pins. Aim a bit more to the right this time. Oh no, now she swerved too far to the right and missed all the pins again. So you score 0 too. Daffy Duck. That's a strike. Very impressive. So you're joined in the lead with Captain America. Lightning McQueen. Oh, it looked like he was aiming to land in the Croc's mouth there. How strange. Try again, McQueen. Well, he got past the Croc this time, but he missed all the pins, so your score is 0. And finally, it's Buzz Lightyear. Great effort! That's 7 pins down already. Can he knock the other 3 over too? No, he missed them! So your final score is 7.
So, we've got 2 racers who scored a strike. Do they both win? No, I say they both bowl again. Whoever knocks over the most pins wins.
Ready, go!
Oh! Daffy Duck has knocked over 7 pins, but Captain America has knocked over 9 pins. So...
Captain America is our winner! Well done! Hello and welcome to this Crocodile Team Challenge. The cars will launch off and try to land on the target. The outer white ring is worth 10 points, the second green ring is worth 20 points, and the middle blue ring is worth 30 points. The cars will try to score points for their teams, which are the Toy Story team, the Underwater team, the Superhero team, and the Cars team. To help us judge, we have Lizard.
Hello! If a car hits the Mash'em, they get to open it. Bring in the Mash'em! Thank you!
Okay, so let's get ready to race.
Up first, it's the Cars team with Smokey.
Go!
That's an okay start, it's 10 points. Next, it's Sally Carrera.
Go!
Oh no! Sally has gone really far! The crocodile is okay, so Sally finished with 0 points. Sarge now.
Go!
Great jump!
What score did Sarge get?
Let's see it from another angle. Ah yes, Sarge is in the 20-point zone, so scores 20 points. Finally, it's Lightning McQueen.
Go!
That was way too fast, McQueen. That's 0, which means the Cars team finished with 30 points. The Superhero team now with Super Funling.
Go!
Oh no! Super Funling hit the crocodile!
Uh-oh! Run away! So that means Super Funling got 0 points.
PJ Masks Catboy.
Go!
Ah, that's an okay jump. It's 10 points. How will Spider-Man do?
Go!
That's 10 points.
Let's see it again. Cool. And Spider-Man was close to the Mash'em.
Finally, it's Batman.
Go!
Oh no! Batman missed the target! 0 points. So the Superhero team finished with 20 points. Not enough to win. Next, it's the Underwater team with Dory.
Go!
Good roll. That's 10 points.
Let's see that again. Nice.
SpongeBob SquarePants next.
Go!
What score is that?
Let's get closer. Wow, SpongeBob is just inside the 30 points ring. So that's 30 points.
Nemo now.
Go!
Ah, no. Nemo sped past the target, so scores 0 points. Finally, it's Squidward.
Go!
Squidward was upside down, but scored 20 points. That means the Underwater team scored 60 points. Finally, it's the Toy Story team, with Buzz Lightyear first.
Go!
that was an interesting jump, but it's 10 points. Bo Peep now.
Go!
What's the score? Let's see it again. Oh, it's close, but Bo Peep is just inside the 30-point zone, so scores 30 points. Next to race, it's Woody.
Go!
Oh, that's close, but it's just 10 points. So, the Toy Story team are on 50 points, 20 or 30 points to win. Can Forky win it for the Toy Story team?
Go!
That's 20 points, so that means...
The Toy Story team are the winners! Well done! Hello and welcome to this Crazy Croc Challenge. So the rules are simple. One at a time, each car will start on this platform. The Crazy Croc will lift them up really high, and then the car will fall. They'll drive along the Croc's tongue, and whoever goes the farthest wins. But be careful, the Croc could snap at any moment. And do you know who our judges are today? Ooh, judges? No, who? We have... these 4 colourful crocodiles. Don't worry, they're much smaller than the Crazy Croc. Is it a good idea to have crocodiles as judges? Yeah, sure. Hey? Oh, look at that! They've even supplied us with a Mash'em. So, if any racer bumps into this Finding Dory Mash'em, they win it and can open it. So everyone, get into your vehicles!
And let's begin. Nemo's up first. Oh, he didn't make it off the platform. Well, you are in the lead, but you're the only one to have had a go. I don't think your lead will last very long. Woody's next. Ah, that's a better distance. You probably could have gone even farther had you not landed on your side. Can Red go even farther? No, he can't. He barely made it off the platform. Better luck next time, Red. Here's Mike Wazowski. Whoa, he's just flown into the lead. Very nicely done, Mike. Now it's SpongeBob. Uh-oh. Oh, the Croc almost caught you. But you're safe. You didn't score a very good distance though. Lightning McQueen. Oh, he was so close to the record line, but he stopped just short of it. Unlucky McQueen. Can Superman break the record? Oh, he's exactly on the line. What does that mean?
The Crocs say you're in the lead too, so both Mike and Superman are winning. But will their record last until the end?
Bumblebee's turn. He just about fell off the end, so it's not a great distance. Oh well. Can Spider-Man do better? He can! He's rolled into the lead! Brilliantly done, Spider-Man! Can Bugs Bunny beat that? Oh, he's very close, but it's not quite enough. Great try though. Here's Gecko. Oh wow, look how far he's gone. I didn't expect that. I think the shape of your car helped you roll really far. Well done. Can Jack Skellington do even better? Uh-oh, he fell off the side. I think he wanted to stay away from the Croc. I don't blame you, Jack, but you won't be winning today. Now it's Donald Duck. Oh, that's not bad, but it's not as good as Gecko's distance. Great try though, Donald. Diver Funling. That's a decent distance, but again, Gecko did better. Better luck next time, Diver Funling. Queen Elsa's turn. Oh, another fantastic try. She might have even beaten the record had she stayed on her wheels. And finally, it's Thomas. No, he's nowhere near the record line.
So in the end, no one was even close to winning the Mash'em, and the crocodile judges didn't have much to do. But our winner today is... Gecko! Well done! Hello and welcome to this Crocodile Catch Farthest Wins. The racers will start at the top of the crocodile's mouth, fall down onto the ramp, launch out of the mouth and will try to go as far as possible. But watch out for the sharp teeth. And to help us out as judge, we have Lizard.
Hello, the racers also need to watch out for the other crocodiles around. So, let's get ready to race.
Up first is the Joker.
Ready, go!
Not very far, Joker. Next is Holly Shifwell.
Ready, go!
Slightly further than the Joker, but probably not enough to win. Blue the Velociraptor now.
Ready, go!
No, crocodile, leave the car alone. Good.
So Blue has edged furthest. Will McQueen go further?
Ready, go!
Oh dear, McQueen. That's not far enough. Superman next.
Ready, go!
Superman's flipped sideways, so is out. Driver Funling up next.
Ready, go!
Oh, that's not very far at all. Can Nemo go far?
Ready, go!
Yes, Nemo has gone furthest. SpongeBob to go now.
Ready, go!
Oh no, SpongeBob is stuck in the launcher. PJ Masks Catboy next.
Ready, go!
Catboy went around the ramp, but has not gone far enough. Batman now.
Ready, go!
Interesting technique, but it hasn't worked well. Toy Story Duke-a-Boom.
Ready, go!
Leave the car alone. Better.
Duke-a-Boom was close, but hasn't gone the furthest. R2-D2 up now.
Ready, go!
Yes, R2-D2 has gone slightly further than Nemo, so is currently winning. Can Robot Funling win instead?
Ready, go!
Oh no, he can't. But extra points for style. Guardians of the Galaxy Groot.
Ready, go!
Great roll. That's put him in the lead. Hulk up next.
Ready, go!
Unlucky Hulk, not far enough. Finally, it's Black Widow. Can she go further than Groot?
Ready? Go!
Yes, she can! She has absolutely smashed the record.
So that means Black Widow is the winner! Thanks everyone for racing, and thank you for watching!